Hello everyone, it's Umar bin Hussain. Welcome to third lesson of free course for learning Chinese language. This course has adopted the optimized, quickest and easiest way of learning Chinese language. After prerequisite lessons for HSK 1, we have studied about personal pronouns, descriptive pronouns, quantifiers and interrogative pronouns. Today we are going to study about interjection, conjunction, auxiliary verbs and adverbs which are enlisted in HSK 1 syllabus. Let's start with interjection. An interjection is basically a word or phrase that is grammatically independent from the words around it and mainly expresses feeling rather than meaning. For example, here we have wei. Usually when Chinese people used to attend their phone call, they usually say wei ni hao. So it's that wei, and it has two meanings, hello as well as to feed. Let's decompose this character into its components. On the right side we have wei, meaning fair. It can also be further simplified into its top and bottom components. On the top we have tian, meaning field, and on lower side we have shi, meaning clan or family, while on the left side we have this cow, meaning mouth. So this way is actually the phonetic component for this character. Phonetic components are those components of characters which basically guide the pronunciation of character. So you can see that this character is also way as this way, but both have different meaning. This character also has an additional cow, meaning mouth, that changes its meaning. So summarizing, this character is composed of this cow, tian, and this shi. Let's find out an example sentence. Here we have wei shi Beijing da shui ma wei shi Beijing da shui ma. Hello is Beijing. Da shui means university, and this ma is actually interrogative particle. So he wants to ask, hello, is this Beijing University? Where she Beijing da shui ma? The next word is our conjunction. Conjunction basically are those words which are used to connect clauses or sentences, are used to coordinate words in the same clause. For example, here we have he, meaning and. He. Please note its second tone. If you don't know about tones, you can watch our video whose link is given over here. It is he, meaning and. Let's decompose it into its left and right components. On right side we have cow, meaning mouth, and on left side we have he, meaning rice plant. So you can notice once again it is phonetic component of this character. We can simplify it further. On the top we have pie, and on the bottom we have mu, meaning wood. So this he is composed of this cow, meaning mouth, pie, and this mu. We are not going to watch its writing animation because of two reasons. The first reason is that we usually decompose characters to that level where every stroke becomes apparent and identifiable. Each character can easily be written and derived from basic strokes. So there remains no need to collectively write strokes of the whole character. The second reason for not showing the writing animation for these characters is it makes video little lengthy. Let's use this conjunction in example sentence. Here we have ta, he, wo, do, shi, lao, shi. Ta, he, wo, do, shi, lao, shi. He and I both are teachers. Ta, he, wo, do, shi, lao, shi. The next one is adverb. Adverb basically are those words or phrases that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb or other adverb. For example, here we have to, meaning all. To. Let's decompose it into its basic elements. On left side we have this chu, and its meaning is those who, while on right side we have E, which is radical used to denote place or location. We can simplify this one further. On the bottom side we have R, meaning sun, while on the upper side we have another component which don't have any specific meaning. We can simplify it further. This one is pie, while this one is thu, meaning earth. This to is composed of all of these basic components. This one over here, this pie, and this R, meaning sun, and this E, meaning place or location. Let's find it in example sentence. 他们都是美国人。他们都是美国人。They all are American people. 他们都是美国人。The next adverb is 不 meaning no. 不 meaning no. Let's find it in example sentence. 他不是中国人。他不是中国人。He is not. She means is, but 不是 means is not. 中国 meaning Chinese. 人 meaning people. 他不是中国人。Let's move towards next adverb. May meaning no. Let's decompose it into its basic elements. On left side we have a radical which is used to denote something related to liquid or water, while on the right side we have another component which is shu, meaning kill or somehow the name of weapon. It can further be decomposed into its top and bottom components. At the top we have ji, meaning machine, while on the lower side we have yao, meaning again or friend. So this may is composed of this water radical, this ji, and this yao. Let's find it in example sentence. 他还没走。他还没走。He still not walk. He has not left yet. So this zo is usually used for leaving or walking. 他还没走。他还没走。He has not left yet. The next adverb is 很 meaning very or quite. 很 Let's decompose it. On left side we have this chi, which is denoting the step with left foot. On the right side we have this gun meaning blunt or rough. This one cannot be simplified further to any specific character. Rather it is directly derived from basic strokes. So this khan is composed of this gun and this chi. Let's find it in example sentence. 今天很热。今天很热。今天很热。Today 今天很 very 热 hot. So today is very hot. The next adverb is 太 meaning too much or too many. 太 too expensive. 太贵了. And it is very simple to decompose because this one is ta, while the lower side is tian, which is the basic stroke. Let's find it in example sentence. 今天太冷了。今天太冷了。Today too cold. It's too cold today. Auxiliary verbs are basically used in forming the tenses, moods and voices of other verbs. For example, here we have this the, meaning the. It is used after an attribute. It don't have any specific tone. We can simplify it further. On left side we have pi, meaning white or pure, while on right side we have this shao, meaning spoon or ladle. So this one can further be simplified. At the top we have this tian, and this one is re, meaning sun or day, while this one can be further simplified. Son, it is inch or village, while this one is tien. So this the is composed of these four components, and it is very easy to write these characters as well. Let's find it in example sentence. 这是我的手机，这是我的手机。This is my cell phone or mobile. The next auxiliary verb is le. Le. It indicates the completion or changing of an action. It is usually used for past tenses. For example, here we have 我买了一个电脑。我买了一个电脑。I bought one computer. We can see over here the action is my, meaning to buy, but when it is added le, then it means it has completed this action and has converted it into past tense. The next auxiliary verb is ma. It is an interrogative particle and it is used in interrogative questions. Let's decompose it. On left side we have cow, meaning mouth, and on right side we have ma, meaning horse. Ma. So you can see that this ma is phonetic component of this ma. Both have different meaning and both have different characters as well, but this ma is a part of this one. Let's find it in example sentence. 你是学生吗？你是学生吗？你是学生吗？ You are students, and it is interrogative particle, so it means he's asking that are you students? The next one is na, and it indicates a state is continuing. The previous state is continuing and it is valid in current scenario as well. On left side we have cow, meaning mouth, while on right side we have this ni, meaning none. This one can further be simplified. The top one is she, meaning body or corpse, while the lower one is bi, meaning spoon or ladle. So this na is composed of all these three components. Let's find an example. 我是学生，你呢？我是学生，你呢？ I am student. How about you? So I have told you what I am doing. How about you? So the previous state or previous question is valid in current sentence. The next verb is ze. Ze. It is basically a preposition, and we can simply decompose it into its basic elements. It is tu, meaning earth. While this character is not a specific character and it do not have any specific meaning, it is simply a combination of horizontal stroke, pa, and shu. Let's find it in example sentence. 今天我在家。今天我在家。Today I am at home. So you can see the use of ze over here. So that's all about our today's lecture. If you liked it, please press the like button, and if you have any suggestions regarding my lecture, its method, or any other thing related to it, you are welcome to write in comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in next class.